So in this video, I am going to show you how to create a keyword for a client of yours. So to be able to create a keyword, you do have to log into your client's account. You're able to do that by hitting the Clients tab here. And then we're going to grab our Draft Pub account and hit the Login button. By doing that, you will see that we will now be logged into the Draft Pub account, okay, which you see right here. Now, what you'll want to do is click on the keywords option, and you're going to see that we have 5 available keywords. I bought 5 keywords for this account here. So when you click on add keyword, it's going to add a keyword for the Draft Pub account, okay? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to hit create a keyword. So again, the keyword is what people will text message, the word they will text message to the short code so that they are able to subscribe themselves to that list and get the messages. So the keyword I usually use is I try to incorporate the name of the restaurant or the pub to the actual keyword. So let's try Draft Pub as a keyword. This again, the short code, you don't touch that. Group messages cannot be sent less than 24 hours apart from each other, and you can go as low as 16 hours on here. The reason we put this on here is we don't want your businesses to be able to, you know, go crazy on their text messaging and send out 10 messages a day, and you know, it's just going to ruin the campaign that you've done for them. So the lowest you'll want to go is, you know, 16 or 24 hours, so that it gives a little bit of a breathing room to the database, the list that receives these messages. Now, here you have 4 options. One is the default reply. So this is what the system will reply by text message to anyone who sends in the keyword Draft Pub to 94932. So let's say that the Draft Pub is giving away their famous fudge brownie dessert. So what you will do is I usually do some stars here and put the name of the pub in the stars so they know who it's coming from. As you can see here, as I'm typing, the characters are going down, and it tells you how many characters you can put into one message. So Draft Pub, what we would do is write, "Welcome to our VIP text messaging list. Show this message to your waiter for your free fudge brownie." Okay, so by doing that, they will receive this message as soon as they text in Draft Pub to 94932. And the other options are as follows. If you click on same day, what this means is that, again, if checked, this message will be replied if someone tries to subscribe more than once within a 24-hour period. So you might have a restaurant or a pub that says, you know, I don't mind them getting these coupons or these discounts, but I just don't want them to use them on a day-to-day basis. So you could put this, you know, here, and if they do try to, you know, get a coupon within the first 24 hours of doing so, you could say only 1 coupon available every 24 hours or whatnot. Okay, that is the same day message. Now there's also the resubscription option. If checked, this message will be replied to someone if they've previously subscribed to a keyword, if they've opted out by replying out, and then they try to resubscribe again. So if you don't want that happening, you would click here and then put a message in here saying, oh, you've previously subscribed to this, you know, list. Even if you've opted out, you are not able to resubscribe. And the last one is if someone is, you know, already subscribed to the list and they try to get another free dessert in a couple of days, or they try to resubscribe to the list, and the business owner doesn't want the client to get a free dessert every time they walk in, you could click here and say, sorry, our system shows you have already received your free fudge brownie, okay, or whatnot. So those are the 3 options. We've created that. It's worked extremely well for us. So let's now add the keyword to this database. Now, if you add a keyword that's not available, because you know you can only get one of the keywords per shortcode. If it's not available, you will get an error message here saying that the keyword's not available. You'll just have to try another keyword. Try to be creative when you're doing this stuff. So let's try adding it to see if it's available in the database. So I've added the name of the keyword. That's the shortcode. You don't touch that. That's the hours apart, and I've just clicked on default reply. If I hit add keyword here, it should give us either a good to go or a no, saying that, there we go. So the keyword was added successfully. So now if, you grab your cell phone and, text message the word draft pub to 94932, the message you'll get within seconds is this one right here. And that is how we create a keyword. If you wanted to edit any of these options, very easy. All you would have to do is click on the keyword option on the left-hand side here of the screen. By clicking here, you will see the keyword. You will see who owns the keyword. So we're now in the draft pub. You would click on the draft pub here where you can edit. And you would click edit here. And what that is going to do is it's going to bring you back to the same page where you can edit any of the details that you have here. So that is how we add a keyword. It's quite simple. And on the next video, we will show you how to send out an actual message or a blast to a list.